How you going? Got another Freightliner Argosy. This one I'm moving the steering wheel again. This one's an aftermarket wheel. Same thing as you've seen my video before. Remove the button. Disconnect your spade terminals. Disconnect them down this end. Just remember I'm only using one hand because I'm recording, so be a bit forgiving for me for the camera work here. Over there, got the same tools as last time. The 1/2 inch ratchet with the 1.25 inch socket on the end, deep socket. Steering wheel puller tools. And I'll set up the steering wheel puller after I take this nut off. Hopefully it's not too tight. So lucky me, a nut that wasn't that loose at all. Cracked it off, and then because the bar's so big it's just a bit easier for me to use my finger in there, undo that nut. And sometimes what I usually try and do just before I set the puller up is just try and yank that steering wheel off straight away. Sometimes I've been lucky in the past, it's come off, but I think that was a rare occasion, but it's worth a shot. Just want to make sure you get those out of there. Just remember, I'm doing this all one-handed, which I wouldn't usually do. Put the nut down in the PO. I like to put things on the floor because it can't fall further than the floor. I'm gonna try and yank this off just with my hands. I'll see if I can set this up again. Alright, that's as good as this is gonna be set up. We'll see if we're lucky this time. Oh, look at that. It's coming straight off. Smacking it evenly on both sides. Boom. You didn't see the camera move, but look at that. I didn't even need to pull it this time. Just came straight off. I suspected that it might have because the nut was loose. If that nut's tight, that steering wheel will be on there really tight. But I did that with my hands. These bare hands.